The Fundus Camera Noon Plus is a portable device developed to diagnose the retinal disease of human or animal by observing the images and video of the retina. The Noon Plus is the device that can be held in one hand, so easy to carry and can be used without any dilation of the patient's eye. The retinal images of the patient can be managed conveniently and effectively with the Android OS smartphone application provided by the manufacturer. To connect the smartphone to the device, make sure the smartphone connector is on the right, so that the smartphone can be connected to the device correctly by OTG cable. Raise up the holder to put smartphone on the device, and connect OTG cable to the device and smartphone. If the connector is micro 5-pin type, use an additional gender provided with the device. Run Noon Plus application before the examination. If it is the first time to use the application, the examiner needs to create an account. Enter the patient's information to proceed the registration of new patient. Choose the eye to shoot and turn the device on. To run the application, permissions to save the image and to use after connection are requested. The Noon Plus application supports both photos and videos, and more detailed settings including resolution setting. Focus on an object at 1 meter or longer distance. When examining the retina, the examining room is recommended to be as dark as possible. The patient should not wear glasses. Instruct the patient to look ahead. Select the mode and turn the IR on. The examiner holds the Fundus Camera handle with a hand and the eye cup with the other. Slowly approach while keeping level with the patient's eye. If necessary, ask the patient to cover the other eye by hand. The examiner can use fixations to take the retinal area needed. Approach the device until 2 IR lights overlap completely. When the optic disc is observed, adjust the focus with the manual focusing wheel of the device. Let the retina image full. If the patient's retinal image is well focused, press the shooting button to take a retinal image. The examiner can select to save or cancel the image taken. The patient's data are managed by menu chart. The patient's data can be sorted by date, and correspondingly saved photos and videos can be viewed. The examiner can modify the patient's data by touching an edit button and leave short diagnostic results as well.